Hello there, Evan's here. Hello there, Evan's here. Today I want to show you the super tags. Hello there, Evan's here. Today I want to show you super tags feature in Lightpad, which is like tags but better. So I'm on the Lightpad tag, as you can see. You can switch between tags by pressing this thing. And what is a super tag? Super tag is a tag. So to add a tag in Lightpad, you press on the plus icon, plus button, and then you choose between the what you can choose. But then, so I added a tag. I tag this entry Lightpad, but then I can extend the tag. Hence, it becomes a super tag. So in Lightpad, it's like a directory structure, right? It's like folders and subfolders. So, well, this one you can see here, it already has, it is already in that directory structure. So it is already on Lightpad product ideas branch, and but I can also add it to a different branch, Lightpad publicity, let it be, I don't know, Twitter, and here. And so since I'm, well, the Supertags, they collapse into these representations. So just to save up the space. But yeah, when you click on a tag, you can see them here, and also you can navigate when you if you expand the tag in here in the tags menu, so you will see its subtags, and each one of them you can also expand again and navigate as your regular directory structure. So same touches what so I guess that's it. That's how you tag things. Oh, also to remove the last tag, you just press Shift Tab. So it's like tab to go into to specialize, to extend the tag, and Shift Tab to generalize the tag. So similar to as well, similar to tags, but better. Like because as hierarchy, and like tags between tags inside tags. That's closer to to what they have in those networked thought platforms. So you're welcome. That'll be in user guide, and you are feel free to contact me and ask more about Supertags. Cheers. Bye bye.